this machine with Okuma OSP-P300LA. We are gonna see how to clone the CFast memory unit that is right behind here. To remove this plate, little plate, in order to get the CFast from the machine. We're gonna clone it, create the image and clone it into a brand new CFast memory. We have to turn the machine off and do the lockout, and then so we move the little plate up, and now the machine is on, and now we are removing the CFast unit. These are the characteristics, and we are gonna create a new one for this one. Okay. So now we have the CFast from the machine that we are gonna create an image. This is the adapter that we need. Okay. Connect it to the motherboard through the SATA connection. We are gonna turn the machine on. This PC. So now let's run the GHOST. This version is 11.0, and create a local disk to image, and the second drive is the CFast memory, and we are gonna save it as let's say we're gonna rename this and use it as a let's use the fast method and see how long it takes. It's gonna be about 9-10 minutes. Okay, let's wait that, and then this is a brand new memory, and we're gonna create or clone this image into this memory. Okay, and test it on the machine. By doing this, you are gonna save let's say you're gonna pay about 10% of the data if you have to purchase this from Okuma, because they need to create the clone from image like we are doing now. Okay, the image has finished, and it took 14 minutes 40 seconds to complete it. So let's quit from here and turn the PC off, and we are gonna install this brand new CFast on the adapter and create the clone. Okay. Now we have the new CFast installed and on the adapter, and let's run the GHOST and create a local disk from the image. And we are going to write that image or clone that image into the unit drive number 2. And we are going to leave the destination details as proposed and run it. Okay, and it says it's going to take about 10 minutes. Okay, we have finished the cloning into the new CFast unit, and it took 14 minutes 22 seconds. Okay, we're going to install that memory on the machine and test it. So now we are going to install the CFast memory. And set the lock plate. and turn the machine on. And see if it works. So now it's running a backup on this folder. So now let's go to the machine. Let's remove the emergency stop and reset. Okay, I forgot that I have to reset and then push the power on again. So now we need to open the spindle cover and we need to open the door. Close and open. So now let's try to jog the axis. We're in manual and channel A and B. We're gonna move the upper turrets. Okay, it's moving. And let's go down. Okay, and let's test the spindle. Okay, now we can jog the spindle, as you see. So the new CFast is working. We're gonna leave it like that, and we have all the information. Oh, okay. For some reason we don't have the manual now. So I need to check why is. Okay, let me check why we cannot open the manuals. So the reason why the manuals list doesn't appear is because we lost the, I don't know if by mistake instead of copying this folder, I moved the folder from the D to the USB. So I'm gonna copy this, Control C, go to the D and press Control V to paste it, and let's see. So maybe we're gonna check the image, the file .gho, the ghost image, and see if we have in the D drive this folder. But maybe it was my mistake. So what you can do, if let's say now we have an image without that manuals folder, what I can do is, as I do it now, right now here in the memory, I can also copy this folder into the image with the Ghost Explorer. Okay, so let's close here and run again the manuals menu, and there you go. Yeah, so let's open the other menu where the manuals are here. Okay, that was my mistake, sorry. Okay, thank you.